Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the custom blocks available within Brailie for WordPress. So as you'll see in the demo, we've got quite a few different icons, a few different elements that you can build with. We're just going to go through a few of these so you can get an idea of how they work and generally just get an understanding of how to put these together yourself. So to start with, if we take a look at the accordion, you'll see here we've got some nice styled accordions. They're very simple to make, but we'll just edit the page now and you can see the process yourself. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding a new section. I'll just pop in a row. Maybe split it into some columns like this. And we're going to drop in our accordion block here. Now when you first drop it in, you'll notice a couple of options. So the first will be the style option, so you can have it either bordered or line like you saw earlier, and you can also choose whether or not to have the first item open by default. I'll choose the bordered style and have the first item open, and we'll click save and continue. So to add a block to the accordion, or to add some content I should say, click the plus icon within the accordion content area. And here you'll see you've got your title and text area accordingly. So we can start by giving the accordion a title. So I'll just put this. And we'll just put in some random text in there. If we want to add another one, we can either clone the original one to begin with or just hit the plus icon and repeat the process. So I'll just call this number 2 and I'll pop in, say, an image. And I'll put one more in. And just put a bit of text and maybe an image. Okay, let's update the page and take a look. And there you go. You can see we've got our accordions there with all the content we want in there. Very simple. Next up, we'll take a look at the alerts. So if we take a look at the page, you can see these are simple alerts which you can use to put an important message on your page and so on. Very simple to use. If we edit the page and have a look, you'll see how these go together. Now these are quite simply a bit like a regular text block, but they're styled so that you can choose a different kind of warning or different style of alerts. But just to demonstrate, we'll pop in our own section and row. And over on the left here, I'll drop an alert bar. And I'll just put, hey, this is pretty cool. And we'll use the warning style. And on the right, I'll just clone another one over there. We'll change the style up to be a success with dismiss. So that basically means you can choose one of the 4 predefined styles, and you can also have it dismissible as well. Oops, sorry, I just needed to refresh. Okay, so we've got the left one here, and we've got the right one, which is the success style and is also dismissible. Brilliant. Next up, we'll look at the animated text. As you can see, it's a really nice little effect. If we edit the page to see how this is put together, you can see the block itself is very, very straightforward. You simply choose the style, which you see there, small, medium or large. You choose the text to go before the animation, and then you put the text into animate. Easy. Just to demonstrate our own, I'll pop a new section in. We'll add our own animated text block, and we'll make it nice and large. So for the intro, I'm going to put, hey, this text is, and I'm going to animate the words awesome. Now on the next line, we'll put cool, groovy, dope. Let's update the page and take a look. And there you go. It'll just go on and animate through all this for you. Absolutely spot on. And we'll keep going and just do a couple more elements. I won't go through all of them in one video, as that will take an awful long time and you may lose interest. So we'll break this down. The next step, we'll go to the countdown element. And there you can see you've got a really cool styled countdown, which is very useful for things like coming soon pages. If we edit the page and just take a quick look, you'll see within the countdown block settings, you've got a simple selection to choose the style, pop in your date, and specify the text you want for each element. So to demonstrate this, we'll pop in our row. We'll pop in our countdown, and I'll put this to Christmas. I'll choose the boxed style, I think that's quite nice. And here you can specify what you want for the days and such. So, although the default text is quite useful, you could do this to anything you want. So if you're in a different language, for instance, this could be useful. Or you can just pop in whatever you like. So we're in hello. A bit random, I know, but just gets the point across. So if we take a look at the page, you'll see there, it's exactly as we wanted. Easy peasy. Finally, for this video, we'll cover the counter element. And this is something you would have seen before, but it's a lovely little counter up, so perfect for things like stats and whatnot. Very, very simple to use. You'll see here, it's a simple block where you can choose the style, the icon, text, as well as the number to count to. Dead easy. But if we want to go ahead and add our own, I'll create a section, pop in a row, and split that up, and pop in a counter. I'll do a few different styles. I'll choose the basic to begin with, and we'll get it to count to 999. There you go. And you can choose an icon here. Now, I don't think I was going to find anything that's particularly useful for zombies killed, so I'll just pick up something random. Or maybe specify a colour as well. There we go, we can see the counter there. Very simple, easy to use, but a lot of fun. And that's it for this video. If you do want to have any more help with this, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.